Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Scrubcat and Lucas Scrubcat. Lucas Scrubcat's about to have his first bite of a southern delicacy. We like to call it a grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. I don't know how you non-southern types do it, but this is how we do it. Alright, let's see here. Here's the first ever bite. Wait, that one doesn't have enough peanut butter on it. Ow! Just burnt myself on the side of the skillet. Alright. Oh yeah, this one looks like a good one. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's put it on the plate. Let me blow on it a little bit. Oh, look at that. Look at that melty peanut butter. Alright, watch out. Let me. Alright. Well. Yeah. Wait, let's do it again. So they can see it. No, wait, right there. There. Is it good?
God bless. Hey guys, Lucas Scrubcat here. Scrubcat is going to
Oh, okay.
He's going to take another bite of this peanut butter, grilled cheese.
Yep, peanut butter and banana.
Peanut butter, banana.
Grilled peanut butter and banana.
I know.
We'll say it. Grilled peanut butter and banana.
Grilled peanut butter banana sandwich. He had a lot of them. So, we'll see him have another one.
Ready?
Yep, again. Doesn't taste that good because you had a lot. What?